Good morning, how you doing? This is Chris Thompson. I am on my way to Damascus to go check out the finished product and check and see what punch list items we have on our latest fixing list over in Damascus. I already said I was going to Damascus. Sorry about that. So let's go check out the finished product and see what punch list items we have to do. See you there. Oh, look at these floors. Good morning, boys.
You can see the little pin in the little brush. That's all you need. That's all you need for here.
Alright, so let's check out our final product in the kitchen. Oh, this thing came out awesome.
I mean, if you have it stained, I can do it now.
This turned out freaking awesome. So we got new countertops. We ended up painting the cabinets, new poles, put in the backsplash, new floors. We gotta come back and touch up the baseboards because when they put the floors in, they scratched them up a little bit. We just gotta come put another coat of paint on there. No big issue. We gotta sand this out, restain it to kind of match a little bit, and then we're gonna change out the quarter round in here. Owner originally said white everywhere, and then forgot to make it match the room. So we're gonna pull all of this quarter round out, put new quarter round in, and this thing's gonna look great. Let's go check out these bedrooms. These walls came out amazing, and we got to get the threshold in there. So threshold right there. I guess they messed that yesterday, but here's the carpet. So we went carpet in every bedroom. Because there was like 4 different types of flooring underneath of there. But I think this thing came out awesome. What do you think? It's a huge closet too. And this isn't even the master. So everything's good back here. We just got a couple little punch list items to knock out in the front rooms out there. But yeah, another fixing list knocked out. And then one final thing in here, we gotta fix this stuff up here and here. We took that much flooring out from what was previously here to make this all one flooring. So we just gotta patch those things and this sucker will be knocked out. But what do you think? Drop me a comment down below.
Yeah, that's fine.
Look at that, a little freshen up.
Yeah, it's gonna look much better.
Yeah. All right, so we're getting our punch list items done. We got new quarter round going in there. Got some stain going on. Just, basic checklist stuff. Thought it was going to look one way, and then it turned out that it was going to look a different way once it was actually in. So, just part of the game. But this thing will be knocked out, and owner's super happy. So we're going to finish this thing up today, and then we will be on to the next one. See you.